In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your shift bid status. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Bids. You should arrive at your shift bid home page. On this page, I can see a shift bid's location, the name of the shift bid, when it starts, when it ends, and the stage. I'll go ahead and choose Summer Quarter 2017. You should arrive at your shift bids home page. This is the status page. On this page, I can see my status. I can see the name of the employee or me, the status, my rank. Sometimes who wins a bid is determined by a rank. So I can see that I'm number 5. That means that if a number 3 bids for the same shift as me, they're going to get that schedule. If your manager allows buddy bidding, you will be able to select the person who you would like to be next to in the bidding ranks and selection. This is for if people carpool to work. This allows them to work similar schedules. Your manager can also allow proxy bidding. This means that someone can bid for someone else. If for some reason you are unable to bid for yourself, you can select a person to bid for you. The person you select must agree to do this before they can have access to bid for you. In the next column, you can see the overall status of this shift bid. I can see the name of the shift bid, any notes the manager may have left, the dates that this shift bid covers, what stage this shift bid is in. If the stage is in setup, that means it's being created by your manager. You can't view it or do anything on it yet. If the stage is preview, that means your manager has given everyone access to view the shift bid lines so you can see what options you have, but you are not able to bid yet. If the stage says select, that means it's time for you to make your bidding selections. If the stage says pause, that means for some reason your manager has paused bidding, but the bidding is not necessarily over yet. Right now the stage is assign. That means your manager is currently assigning bids to employees. And finally, there is complete. That means all of the lines have been assigned and your manager is now putting together a schedule using your bids. Next, you have the assign section. Here I can see how many employees are bidding on this schedule and how many people have already been assigned. So only 1 out of 16 employees have been assigned so far. And last, I could see any privileges. That's how you can view the status of a shift bid in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to add your bids.